I'm sure you've heard the news, someone lost millions to a cheap cold wallet from Huiwang. It's got the whole crypto world buzzing. But how did it actually happen? Let's break it down. Here's the story that's got the crypto community shaken. A user bought a discounted cold wallet off Douyin, the Chinese version of TikTok, thinking they'd scored a deal. The reality? That factory-sealed wallet was anything but secure. Within hours of moving nearly $7 million worth of crypto onto it, the funds vanished. Blockchain security firm Slow Mist traced the theft back to a compromised private key, tampered with right when the wallet was created. In other words, the wallet was a ticking time bomb, sold at a discount to lure in victims. The stolen crypto was instantly funneled through Huiwang, a shadowy network of illicit businesses in Cambodia, leaving almost no hope for recovery. Friends of the victim described late-night phone calls filled with panic and devastation. Experts are crystal clear. When it comes to cold wallets, cheap is dangerous. Those bargain wallets floating around online, most are fake or tampered with, designed to empty your pockets, not protect them. Slow Mist's chief information security officer put it perfectly. Don't gamble your entire fortune on a wallet that's a few $100 cheaper. Because saving a bit now can end up costing you everything. So, next time you see a deal that looks too good to be true, especially for something as critical as a crypto wallet, walk away. Protect your assets, and only buy from trusted official sources.